Hi folks, let's get back to lead coding today and we'll do lead code 141 linked list cycle, which probably we did this problem before but in C, but this time we'll do this in Python and we'll try to see is it equally easy or equally hard in Python. So in Python, when we start doing this problem, what we need to do is understand first of all there's no struct node or anything, it's like class. So in Python, everything being an object is a class list node, and the class object only takes one uh, parameter to basically initialize itself. This is val, and it has two members, val and next. Next is initialized to none. So what we're gonna do is we would basically, if you think about it, we're gonna do the we would do the a simpler approach this time in Python rather than confuse you guys with a lot of C and pointers and all the other stuff. And here what we will do is you say slow equal to fast equal to head. Now one thing you might ask is that why are we so here we are using a Floyd's algorithm for cycle detection, where if you have a cycle, that means eventually these two pointers, so what we're going to do is our approach is going to be that we'll increase slow by one step and fast by two steps, two nodes ahead, and then so eventually they would meet. That's the Floyd's algorithm, that if you do that, so if you see while slow and because it's Python, remember, and fast dot next. Now you see here y dot, because dot, we are, as you know, in Python these member variables actually known as attributes. So these are the attributes, so we are just referencing. So if you think about it, we are giving the reference to the to this head, and you might say, how does it know what is inside the head? Like, is there a next inside? So as long as the Python is able to see that based on the argument that you passed, that can access next, it doesn't have a problem. So do that, and then you see say slow equal to slow dot next, and fast equal to fast dot next dot next. So that's your, these are the two kind of pointers, and if you continue to do that, and if slow equal to fast, then we just return true, that there is a cycle, else we basically come out of the while loop and return false. And remember one thing, that false is in true, these boolean variables, this boolean keyword, they actually start with capital letters. So true, T is caps, and in false, F is caps. So now let's run this program, see if it solves this problem. Okay, so we this time we have a thundering success. We actually didn't make any typos, we didn't make any logical mistakes, algorithmic mistakes. So we just solved this. Currently we actually submitted it, and we ran it, and we actually submitted it. So I hope this is another lead code problem today to get your to get for stimulating your brain cells. So let's try to submit it actually now. Oh wow, so it's actually submitted and it passed all the tests. That's why it was successfully submitted. So that's your another algorithmic lead code problem, very typical. This problem is usually asked quite a few times. So I hope it will be useful, and I'll see you in the next video, and we'll do another problem. And until then, I would say goodbye.